यस मैम, 2 challenges बिफोर इंदिरा गांधी के से बता दो।
2 challenges before Indira Gandhi, that means the context of 1967 elections.
मैम, नो independence from syndicate, regain the lost strength of Congress.
Okay. So, election of 1967 was political earthquake, right? After that, when this electoral verdict came and Indira Gandhi lost, basically 9 states became non-Congress states and many political stalwarts were defeated. Indira Gandhi started sidelining the syndicate later on, right? Indira Gandhi started sidelining the syndicate, and I hope everyone is now well aware who were syndicate.
Senior most
Influential leaders within the Congress who had supported Indira Gandhi in winning the secret ballot against Morarji Desai, right? So once Indira Gandhi started sidelining the syndicate, the conflict between Indira Gandhi and the syndicate became very visible for the citizens also. Why? Because Indira Gandhi started reflecting herself as pro poor and the syndicate as pro rich. इंदिरा गांधी के सामने दो challenges जो थे, two challenges before इंदिरा गांधी कह लो या strategies used by इंदिरा गांधी, or even the question can come regarding split of the Congress party. The answer will remain this only. ठीक है, reasons for split in the Congress or the challenge before Indira Gandhi regarding to the syndicate. ठीक है Tanisha?
Yes ma'am.
So इंदिरा गांधी की as syndicate was trying to pressurize her, तो उसके लिए challenge था कि syndicate को मैं कैसे sideline करूं, how do I get rid of the syndicate. And second, as you know, the election of 1967 was called as political earthquake. Congress did not get such lowest number of tally before 1967. So this was her second challenge कि 1967 में जो defeat हुई है कांग्रेस की, उसमें जो उन्होंने कांग्रेस ने जो numbers lose करे हैं उसको हम कैसे regain करें. Correct? Is that clear?
Yes ma'am.
So, in order to tackle these two challenges, to sideline the syndicate and to make the public understand that she is doing work for them, Indira started reflecting herself as pro-poor, as socialist and as pro-poor. So she introduced all these left front policies, pro-poor policies. She implemented 10-point program in which she nationalized the banks, nationalized general insurance, set ceiling on urban property. That means amount of property a person can hold, maximum amount was sealed. She started public distribution of food grains, public distribution system जिसको हम बोलते हैं land reforms she came up with. लैंड रिफॉर्म्स में क्या था, जमींदारी सिस्टम अबॉलिश करा था एंड सीलिंग वाज सेट. टेनेंट रिफॉर्म्स आल्सो शी केम अप विद because earlier tenants were exploited by the owners. So tenant reforms came in which legal security was provided to the tenants also. So she came up with all these programs in order to make the public realize that she is working for them. Right? However, there was a glitch in between. I told you about Privy Purse also. Who remembers Privy Purse?
मैम
Yes.
उन जो प्रिंसली स्टेट रूलर्स है उनको प्रिविलेज दिया रखा था।
किनको प्रिविलेज दिया हुआ था कौशिका?
प्रिंसली स्टेट रूलर्स ना।
Princely state rulers को, while we were accommodating, integrating the princely states, princely rulers were given some special privileges, some tax concessions, some concessions on holding the amount of property, right? So this was privy purse, and Indira Gandhi abolished privy purse. She said that it is against the principle of right to equality, and syndicate was against it. Syndicate said that this was not what we promised. तो वहां से वो कन्फ्लिक्ट स्टार्ट हुआ और ये प्रोग्राम भी यहाँ पे स्टार्ट हो गया। तो इंदिरा गांधी ने फिर अपने आप को प्रो पुअर और उनको प्रो रिच दिखाना स्टार्ट कर दिया। The main conflict between syndicate and Indira Gandhi happened in this election of 1969. Was it clear to everyone yesterday? Should I explain again, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, listen carefully. Presidential election 1969. President was Zakir Hussain. He died. So the president's seat became vacant. Now when the seat was vacant, election was supposed to happen for the seat of president, and in that election the official candidate of Congress was N. Sanjeeva Reddy. That means from the Congress party, the candidate name that was given for the seat of election was N. Sanjeeva Reddy, and his name was given by Congress President S. Nijalingappa. This person, S. Nijalingappa, was the president of the Congress, and he was part of syndicate. Yes.
मैम प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्शंस के लिए और कैंडिडेट थे ये।
हाँ जी, प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्शन होना था। Zakir Hussain died, so now we had to elect the next president of India. So Congress party's president S. Nijalingappa, who was part of the syndicate, the group of the syndicate, he gave the name of Sanjeeva Reddy, right? Now this Sanjeeva Reddy was a critique of Indira Gandhi. That is why they introduced Sanjeeva Reddy's name for the post of president. कि भाई साइन होने के लिए बिल किसके पास जाता है क्लास? पॉकेट वीटो किसके पास है? President के पास. We had discussed this in previous year. So that is why they gave the name of Sanjeeva Reddy, so as to wherever possible Sanjeeva Reddy can block the bills of Indira Gandhi, because Indira Gandhi was trying to sideline. But what Indira Gandhi did was, Indira Gandhi did not want Sanjeeva Reddy to become the president. So Indira Gandhi told V.V. Giri to stand as independent candidate. अब V.V. Giri कौन थे? V.V. Giri was at that point of time serving as Vice President of India. So Indira Gandhi asked V.V. Giri that stop, you should basically fight. You should contest election for the post of president. You are already vice president. So Indira Gandhi was not the president of Congress party. So she could not give the name of V.V. Giri on her own because Sanjeeva Reddy was the official candidate. So she asked V.V. Giri to file the nomination as independent candidate. So V.V. Giri did that. He filed his nomination as independent candidate. Now, once this was done, syndicate got to know about it. Now they were sure that if Indira Gandhi is supporting V.V. Giri, then the Congress vote will get split. क्योंकि जो इंदिरा गांधी के फॉलोअर्स थे कांग्रेस मेंबर्स, वो V.V. गिरी को वोट करेंगे, और जो सिंडिकेट के साथ हैं वो संजीवा रेड्डी को वोट करेंगे. To stop that, Nijalingappa issued a whip. Whip क्या होता है? It is a political order, special order. If a whip is issued, then by code all the members are to follow that. आपके पास फिर चॉइस नहीं रहती. तो निजलिंगप्पा ने whip issue कर दी to vote for Sanjeeva Reddy. Vote is a personal choice, all of you know, right? But if you are told no, you have to vote for this person only because you are a member of this party. If you don't want, if you will not vote, we will expel you. So such kind of order was issued by Nijlingappa to all the Congress members so that they can vote for Sanjeeva Reddy. Indira Gandhi did not like this. Yes.
Ma'am, why Nijlingappa wanted the vote for Sanjeeva Reddy?
Because Sanjeeva Reddy's name was proposed by the syndicate. Syndicate का member था Nijlingappa, and Nijlingappa was Congress president.
कांग्रेस का प्रेसिडेंट भी था. Okay.
हाँ जी, right. Is the confusion clear now?
हाँ, तो मैम वो कैंडिडेट संजीवा रेड्डी को भेजना चाहते थे प्रेसिडेंट पोस्ट के लिए.
नाम दे चुके थे वो ऑफिशियली. संजीवा रेड्डी को वो कांग्रेस अपनी तरफ से कैंडिडेट का नाम दे चुकी थी कि कांग्रेस की तरफ से संजीवा रेड्डी इज कंटेस्टिंग इलेक्शन. ठीक है. बट कांग्रेस की ही एक मेंबर ने, इंदिरा गांधी ने वीवी गिरी को सपोर्ट किया, उसको कह के इंडिपेंडेंट करवाया, इंडिपेंडेंट नॉमिनेशन फाइल करवाई.
यस मैम.
ये तो सबको दिख ही रहा था. इट वाज एपरेंट टू एवरीवन. तो अब जब कांग्रेस की ही एक मेंबर और कोई कॉमन मेंबर नहीं, द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया is influencing and supporting VV Giri to stand as independent candidate, then the votes within the Congress might get split.
Yes ma'am.
Right. So in order to stop that, Nijlingappa issued this whip, this order, a strict order to all the Congress party members who were MPs and MLAs to vote for Sanjeeva Reddy. Is this much clear to everyone?
Yes ma'am.
So now in retaliation, now that the whip was issued, Indira Gandhi told the party members, the MPs and MLAs of Congress party, that you don't fear from the whip that is being issued. What you do is you vote from your conscience. Do what you think on your own, think from your conscience, matlab inner self. So do what is right, what your inner self is telling you to do. ठीक है. और ये इंदिरा गांधी ने कहा बोला? इंदिरा गांधी ने एक मीटिंग बुलाई, ठीक है, ऑल इंडिया कांग्रेस कमेटी की, जिसमें इंदिरा गांधी के जो सपोर्टर्स थे, यानी कि विद इन कांग्रेस जो एमपीज एमएलएज इंदिरा गांधी को सपोर्ट करते थे, वो सब मिले. ठीक है. और वहां पे इंदिरा गांधी ने बोला वोट फ्रॉम योर कॉन्शियंस. सो व्हेन द वोटिंग एक्चुअली हैपेंड, व्हाट वाज द रिजल्ट? वीवी गिरी वन द इलेक्शन. Sanjeeva Reddy was defeated. So this ensured split in the Congress party. The syndicate formed Congress O, that is Congress organization, and Indira Gandhi separated herself from Congress, and her Congress came to be called as Congress Requisitionist. That means Congress R. इसको आप short form में लिख सकते हो, Congress in bracket O when you are writing the long answer type question. Okay. And Indira Gandhi is Congress R. Clear? दोबारा बताऊं क्लास? प्लीज टेल मी वेरी फ्रैंकली. थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, आई नो, बट यू हैव टू टेल मी. भाई वीवी गिरी इलेक्शन जीत गया। वीवी गिरी के इलेक्शन जीतते ही जो कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट था निजलिंगप्पा, उसने इंदिरा गांधी को पार्टी से एक्सपेल कर दिया कि हमने व्हिप इशू करी फिर भी आप उसके अगेंस्ट गए। पार्टी से एक्सपेल कर दिया तो ऑब्वियसली इंदिरा गांधी को एक्सपेल करते ही जो इंदिरा गांधी के सपोर्टर्स थे उन्होंने भी पार्टी छोड़ दी। तो पार्टी में फिर फाइनली 1969 में इस इलेक्शन के बाद स्प्लिट हो गया। स्प्लिट होते ही जो syndicate led group tha, it came to be known as Congress O. They formed this party Congress O, and Indira Gandhi formed Congress R. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.